Hi there, welcome to our channel. So today I am sharing a great template with you. It's Liquid Elements Transaction Pack plus sound effect. In the meantime, my best collection of liquid transactions. This is RAR file, you can download link in description, it's free. If you don't download this file, see below in description there have a video link, how to download this RAR file. You see this video to know how to download this RAR file. After download finished, then extract your file. See I'm doing now. Open this folder. You can see there are a After Effects liquid transaction project file. Just click your mouse right button and open. This pack features incredible liquid elements so you can use as transition animations for your photo and video slideshows. So you see there are a lot of transactions in this. Use in any event, YouTube, art concepts, commercials, awards intros, logo animation and much more. Make a great looking video with these eye-catching transitions. Hand-drawn and frame by frame animated. So, how do you use these? I will show it to you now. Now create a new composition and drag your footage in timeline. Then choose your transaction. Then double-click to open and Ctrl-C to copy and Ctrl-V to paste. Now I'm putting it in place. And now see what the preview looks like. I'm finishing here like today. Hope you understand. If you don't understand, please let us know in the comments. We will make a video accordingly and show you. Well, this was today's tutorial, so if you like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel and share the video. Thanks.